BioTense Extracts. BioTense Extract is an exclusive dry, organic oil specifically formulated for mature, dry, and dehydrated skin and for anyone with recent scars or burns. It is ideal during menopause to compensate for the lack of lipids in the epidermis and to bring more hydration and more comfort to the skin. BioTense Extract will work on the basal layer of the epidermis up to the stratum corneum. It will be used immediately after the BioTense serum for home use or as a facial massage oil during the professional BioTense facial. Advantage number 1: repairing and softening. When the epidermis lacks lipids and essential fatty acids, the skin dries out, becomes dull, and more sensitive to environmental aggressors. In addition, dry skin forms a barrier that prevents skincare from properly penetrating. BioTense Extract is made of argan oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, and repairing vitamin F. This unique synergy provides all the essential fatty acids and lipids necessary to restore the skin's protective barrier. Therefore, BioTense Extract helps to soften the corneum layer and improves skincare absorption. Advantage number 2: regenerating and soothing. BioTense Extract has excellent regenerating and soothing properties. It helps repair cell membranes to increase cell turnover at the basal layer level. It also offers calming and anti-inflammatory properties. This is why BioTense Extract will be the ideal product to improve scars and burns while preventing post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Advantage number 3: protective. Rich in repairing active ingredients and antioxidant vitamin E, BioTense Extract prevents the appearance of aging signs and protects the skin from the daily harmful effect of pollution. It forms a protective shield atop the epidermis to fight against daily environmental aggressors. Results: the skin feels immediately moisturized, softer, and more comfortable. In less than 28 days, the signs of dryness and roughness are visibly reduced. Dehydration wrinkles and fine lines are significantly diminished. The skin reveals a healthy and radiant complexion. How to use it? Apply 3 to 5 drops of BioTense Extract on cleansed skin or after the BioTense serum morning and night. Massage lightly until completely absorbed. Follow with BioTense cream.